It's been 48 hours since we've slept. Hey, can you go? Can you go? I'm trying to vlog. I'm trying to vlog. I'm trying to vlog. Don't you down. Go away. Go away. Don't you just love friends where you can just say go away? Like, that's some true friendship right there. The funniest thing is, we've been working so hard. We have an itinerary. We're launched. There comes a point where your physical limitations, that's it, that's all. We're launching the world's first geeky travel show.
You ready for this? You get 2 pieces of bread, 2 thick pieces of cheese, and nothing else.
So, after much chaos and hysteria, we are here of Norwegian Airlines. We don't look tired at all.
Enjoy your $7 2-piece cheese meal.
We got to London.
Enjoy your sandwich with no mustard.
We don't have extra sauce. We don't have extra customs forms. That's all we got.
We need salad dressing too.
It's been 48 hours since we've slept. There's a bathroom. I will go to it. Wow. That was pretty good.
Excuse me, you are taking too long. Can we help you with your baggage?
Yes, actually,
Well, we can't actually lift it for you, help you pack. We can only tell you this to make you move faster out of guilt. Also, I hope you enjoyed your 2-piece of cheese, no sauce sandwich, and being denied water at the end of the flight.
Yeah, I thought it was funny that I was trying to take a little bit of extra time to make sure that we had everything, and 3 associates came up and asked if they could do anything to help us. And finally, after the 4th person, I'm like, yeah, what could you do? Could you let me know what you could do? And she responded, well, we can't really help with bags at all, but we can help in any other way. And I'm like, well, I guess then no, you can't help us. 11 hours, 0 food, 0 water, haven't even gotten through customs yet. Geeks abroad. At least we flew into London, so there's not going to be as much of a
No, you're incorrect. We didn't fly into London. We flew into London adjacent.
At least we flew into London adjacent.
Yes, there you go.
Yeah. It's going to be great. Just you wait.
All
we need is sleep and food and directions and Wi-Fi
and a SIM card for a phone that can't be opened.
Okay. Now we can talk one like this.
Toilets!
Yep, I see that. I want it. 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 I'm going for it.
You got it, girl. Don't stop me now.
We have entirely too much of this, guys. We have all the sunglasses case. Self-care, everybody. Very important. What if this place is like a hull, right? Like they don't actually intend on having food here, and it hasn't caught on to just like sell lots of food.
No, that's not good. No.
Why don't we do that? Why are we not making it easier for ourselves? It does. It sounds really weird. It does kind of sound.
It sounds like it's a dying clown. It's just sad.
Sad clowns dying.
I'll eat the artwork. I'm so hungry.
Nobody facetious.
Oh look, Kid Spider-Man.
Aww.
Like it's Ken Masters from Street Fighter 2.
Oh yeah. Looks good. I would be more worried about the girl. Or be cute.
Cute.
Being on this little of sleep, it feels like it's a dystopian reality to the US, with everything kind of seeming like the US except for they use the word toilets. So I'm not actually recognizing our bags, which could be another issue.
It took us forever to get to here.
Yes.
Like.
Alright. I know that it seems like we're saying really negative right now, but the moment we eat food, the moment this becomes less, the moment that our head hits the pillow, it'll all be better.
I hope for now. This is the dark side of travel that they don't ever tell you about, and we're gonna expose it.
Yeah, clickbait. Dark side of travel exposed. Chapped lips, apart, only being on an airplane for 11 hours.
Having your luggage fall apart on the airplane, and then having the airplane help look at you and go, "Can we help?" Oh wait, we can't. Oh, you want that water? You didn't pay for the dinner of $45. So instead, you get no water, you get no coffee, and you ready for this? You get 2 pieces of bread, 2 thick pieces of cheese, and nothing else. No mustard, no mayo, nothing.
A cheese sandwich is all the rage in this area.
Yeah, they wouldn't even microwave it. No, actually, that's entitled. That's entitlement. I recognize it.
We're launching the world's first geeky travel show, and it's going to be incredible. We've all worked so hard to actualize it and bring you on a trip with us, getting all the right equipment and all the passes to places, and I'm really excited that you guys are coming along. And maybe it's a little bit of a departure, no pun intended, from what I usually do, but it's really what's closer to my heart than anything else is travel. And I wanted to create this segment where we geek out about what you geek out about. It transcends borders. It really, when somebody talks about magic cards or D&D or whatever, tech, Linux distributions, everything that we've had going on, and I don't even have the energy to freak out about it.
We have 1 pound, which is a couple ounces. We have 2 pounds. But what's cool is like it's metal within metal, right? That's pretty cool. Not gonna lie, that's pretty cool. This Euro's pretty baller. But what made me laugh is this. Like, am I supposed to see like cool things if I look through Big Ben and like see a wonderful world? Let's see.
Let's check. Wait, don't move. I see a cool thing.
No, bring it in closer. Bring it in closer. And then cut away to the TARDIS.
How did you know? Oh yeah. We have your rail passes.
Yeah.
All of us.
Where are you going to
Victoria.
Yes. It's platform 6 that way.
Oh.
Through the portal.
Thank you. Quicker is good. Hello. So I think, do we need to show anybody our Euro? We have your rail passes for Victoria. Okay, thanks. Is this it? You got it? Okay. Yep. It's okay. You got it?
How much? It's a weekday, a work day.
Well, We have been officially thrust into socialness. This is a huge takeaway from Gatwick, and I am reminded of my the rule that I used in New York, which was in order to avoid people rushing towards you, just look where you're going and don't maintain eye contact with the person, and then you won't run into them, like I would run into you right now.
These are fantastic. Words cannot describe how good they are until they're in your mouth.
Why don't we just buy them?
We are.
You didn't hear that here. We're going to be 100% original with everything we do, including eating Jaffa cakes, which at first glance looks like a sponge.
Yeah, the ball.
This is
You might have gave it their finger.
Did I?
Who knows what this means in some places?
I bite my thumb at you.
Yes.
God, these stairs are so narrow.
Yep.
So that's the stuff you don't think about.
Big man in a tiny house.
Except when you open this is bigger than most like San Francisco apartments.
You kidding?
Oh no, definitely not. You could get a damp crawl space for like $700 a month.
Harry
Like a
Potter style closet.
So are you ready for your traditional American breakfast?
In England?
How is it?
Yeah, maybe. I just don't want beans and everything because it's gonna give me gas.
No, why didn't you just say how is it traditional than a, how is it different than a traditional American breakfast? Cut.
Well, you said American breakfast.
Go. So, are you ready for a traditional English breakfast?
Sans beans? Sure.
No, stop with the beans.
Just let me get my glasses on. It looks somewhat decent. Okay.
That seems overrated. I really think that there's going to be a montage of us doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Traveling is not relaxing. It's very tiring.
The sunrise is in half an hour. We got to get somewhere quick before the sun rises.
And do what transition?
Very fun.